Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Subaru Outback 2.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt. This is the tool I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a gear wrench serpentine belt tool. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a serpentine belt. So I'm going to be removing this plastic shield, removing these two retainers. If you can see, it's hard to see, but there's a lot of small cracks in this belt. That's why we're replacing it. Okay, so before you remove the serpentine belt, it's a good idea to kind of like draw a picture how everything looks like, where the pulleys are and how the belt goes around the pulley. That way, in case if you when you're putting it back and you put it back wrong, you can actually always go back to your picture that you drew. So I'm going to be removing the serpentine belt. I'm going to be loosening the serpentine belt tensioner. Okay, so release it. So remove the belt. If you can see, a lot of small cracks in the belt. So I'm going to be installing my belt. Make sure you follow the diagram. Okay, so now I'm going to be loosening the tensioner. Putting on my belt. Make sure everything is all on. Double check. Okay, so now let's start it up. Okay, so started the vehicle. Everything looks like it's all running good. It's all in the groove. Now I'm going to turn it off and put back the plastic covering. So putting on this plastic shield. Putting my retainers on. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a serpentine belt. Make sure to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.